Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Bridge City, local and long distance movers near me. Shifting is an arduous project, be it local or long distance. However, it involves tasks like searching for a suitable truck, packing essentials, shifting them without wear and tear, and finally resettling them, which may take weeks or even a month, while it can disrupt your moving experience and may even cause damage. Therefore, hiring a professional moving company like 3 Movers would be the best decision. We provide moving services at the most affordable prices and use essential equipment to carefully pack and load your belongings. Usually, while moving locally, people assume they don't need to require a moving company. It's important to understand the shifting process is still the same, whether shifting to the nearby street or within the city. And if you plan to do it by yourself without any experience, it may cause damage to you or your belongings. Therefore, hiring a trained team of movers and packers alike, 3 Movers is always a good option. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Bridge City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.